Several houses have been reported damaged in various parts of the country following the onslaught of Typhoon Mirasol, also known as Tropical Storm Mitag internationally, and the effects of the southwest monsoon. According to the Department of Social Welfare and Development, meanwhile, over 2,000 personnel of the Philippine National Police have already been deployed to regions affected by Super Typhoon Nando. Creslin Catarong reports.
2 houses in Mountain Province and 7 in Aurora were reported as partially damaged. This was according to Assistant Secretary Irene Dumlao, spokesperson of the Department of Social Welfare and Development on Monday. In Region 6, particularly in the provinces of Capiz and Iloilo, several houses were totally damaged. In Zamboanga City, which was severely affected by flooding caused by the southwest monsoon, 1 house was totally damaged and 3 others were partially damaged. Asek Dumlao said that the DSWD continues to monitor houses that may be further damaged due to another adverse weather, the Super Typhoon Nando, internationally known as Ragasa.
There are other interventions that we're looking at, one of which is the provision of emergency cash transfers para masuportahan po yung early recovery ng mga kababayan po natin na maapektuhan at masisira nga po yung kanila pong mga tahanan.
Meanwhile, the Philippine National Police immediately activated their critical incident monitoring team in preparation for the impact of Super Typhoon Nando. According to Brigadier General Randolph Tuanyo, head of the PNP Public Information Office, all regional directors in Regions 1, 2, 3, and Region 9, also the Cordillera Administrative Region, have been mobilized to coordinate with their respective local disaster risk reduction and management offices. This measure aims to ensure a swift response to the possible effects of the typhoon. Tuanyo added that 2017 PNP personnel have been deployed in the mentioned regions to assist in rescue operations, relief distribution, and maintaining order and security in areas likely to be affected.
Una po, ang kautusan po ng ating PNP base po doon sa ating manual ay yung pong local coordinations ng mga regional directors natin, ng ating mga chief of police, sa kanilang local government unit, search and rescue operations kung kakailanganin. Kasama din dyan, Sir Joey, yung pagtatalaga natin ng ating mga membro ng PNP sa mga evacuation centers.
For God and for my beloved country, the Philippines, this has been Creslin Catarong, SMNI News.